All right, so we're going to start drilling the fireball. We're going to start with the right finger. And I've got my lines etched in there, scribed in there. And we're going to double check our measurements with the razor blade, make sure everything's lined up. And probably a little bit over to the right. Too much. Okay. Looks good on that side. A little bit up. All right, got it clamped down. Making sure that my bit's going to line up with those lines there. So I can always fix it around this point. And we're looking pretty good. Do is take this bit down 2 inches for the turbo insert. No rush. We're down an inch. Bring it up. Get all the debris out of there. Coming up on 2 inches. And we're 2 inches there. I did pretty good with those lines there. Right on the line there. Just barely on the line there. We're looking pretty good. So now we're going to do the left finger. So left finger is 5/16 Let's see, move the table right, we'll go 5/16. Okay, 2, 4, 5. 5/16, and move the table forward 5/16. Okay, and we're already on 5/16 there. Okay, cool. Now we just line it up for the other hole. Got my 31/32 bit. All right. Get my razor blade. Okay, a little bit more. Probably go a tad to the left. Okay, right on the money on that one. And go a tad up. All right, we're looking good there. All right, and just double check my measurements. I got 5/16 table right and 5/16 forward. Good. Again, just go nice and slow. So I could have gone a little bit closer in on those numbers. Let's see. So my bridge is, looks like 0.3, not exactly a quarter. But it shouldn't be too much of a factor there. Definitely got to get those closer on the next one. I'm always paranoid that I'm going to go over it, but Yeah, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good on these lines as well too. Cool. Now we do the thumb. Okay, so thumb is table back 1/4. 2, 4. Okay, there's a 1/4. And table left 1/16. Okay, table left 1/16. Okay. And all right, there we go. Now we get the big boy bit, the JoPo bit. Very expensive drill bit. Very, very pricey. What we're going to do is just going to get the hole started with this, and then we're going to grab another bit. It's a little bit cheaper. I do most of it just so this bit can last a little bit longer. Okay. Okay, right on the line, and let's get our razor here. Go up a little bit more. Okay, down. That's right on the money there. Tighten it down. All right. Double check as I tighten it down. Make sure we're still on the line. And we're good. Watching where that bit hits that line. And right on the money. Do that cover stock. Take this off. And we can grab our 1 1/8 bit. Bit just to give my JoPo a little less work, make it last a little bit longer. back on there and finish it up with the JoPo here. Get a nice color there, I know exactly where to stop. Stuff out of there. Alright, that's it for the drilling. And the next video will be me putting in the JoPo and the inserts.